Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. So in this video, I will explain you complete update regarding the STAAD Pro course which I was launched in Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So please download Civil Engineering by Shravan application app. So why? Because I am updating the content in the Civil Engineering by Shravan application app. So you can watch that complete content related to the free content and paid content regarding the complete courses related to the STAAD Pro course, ETABS course, SAP course, Rivet architectural course, AutoCAD course and manual calculation methods. I will update those contents in my upcoming sessions. So in this video, I will explain you complete detail regarding the STAAD Pro course. So I was already launched STAAD Pro course, full STAAD Pro course in our application, Civil Engineering Shravan application. You can watch that STAAD Pro course regarding that. So it is under 66.6% offer now. You can buy this application for this offer. The coupon codes I was told you earlier, it was expired on 15th of this month. But many of the students are asking me regarding the extension of the coupon codes as well as the extension of the duration of the STAAD Pro course. That's why I'm increasing the duration of the STAAD Pro course from 3 months to 6 months. For the same cost, I'm increasing the duration for this particular course of the STAAD or other courses which I was updated in the Civil Engineering Shravan application, which will be applicable for 6 months duration. So you can avail this offer. Those who are already taken the Civil Engineering Shravan STAAD Pro course, please contact me through my WhatsApp number which is available on the end of the course. You can find the contact us page PDF. You can find that my number. You can text me to my WhatsApp so that I will extend your course to the 6 months. Okay, so please utilize this offer. So the offer is valid till 28th of this month. So after 28th of this month, I will not provide you any kind of the offers regarding this course. Now the course will be complete duration of 6 months from your registered date. And second point is related to coupon code. The coupon code which is related to STAAD 1000 will be applicable from today to 28th of this month. I am extending this offer also for the students, those who are really wanted to join this course. So I am updating the content regarding these two courses and I will update the free content also in Civil Engineering Shravan application. That is the third point. So in Civil Engineering application, you can find the free PDF download option. In that PDF, I said earlier, I will update the manual calculation method and some of the important calculation which is generally used in civil engineering. Those are very much important for the civil engineering for designing as well as the analysis of the structure according to the considerations. So I will upload the free content. Upcoming 2 to 3 days, you can able to download that particular PDF. Okay, so these are the major updates which is obtained from Civil Engineering Shravan application. The course will be valid 6 months from now. You can download the application and you can purchase that course. You will be available with offers of STAAD 1000 rupees offer. 1000 offer is running now. So again, second one is coupon code. The coupon code is valid up to 28th of this month particularly. So again, I will update the free content in the Civil Engineering by Shravan application regarding this complete manual calculation methods and how to take the load cases and complete manual calculation of the load cases and how to calculate the dimensions of the water tanks and some of the calculations regarding the manual calculation method. Okay. So in my upcoming session, I will explain you complete designing of the structural members like beams, columns, slabs and complete designing of the 3-story building, 4-story building or G+1 building, complete manual calculation of the building in the upcoming session in the Civil Engineering Shravan application. So please download my application, Civil Engineering Shravan application from Google Play Store. I will provide you the download link in the below description of this video. You can able to download that app from the link which is provided in the description. So thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. If you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box so that I will give you the answer for that questions. Thank you.